Here we have the pristine Motone Customs XPipe designed to fit the parallel twins of the Triumph range from 2016 to 2021. I went to the garage to have this installed, hoped it would improve the sound quality of those beautiful exhausts, and here is the before and after. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright then guys, so I just got back from the service garage today, and as you've just seen, I've had the XPipe added. So hopefully you can tell the difference from the before and after. I definitely can hear a much deeper grunt, a lot more gurgly, barbling sounds on the roll-off of the accelerator. I think it sounds a lot beefier, meaner. I haven't really tested it out yet on the road, so I can't testify if it's got a good service improvement. So tomorrow morning I'm going to get straight on the bike in the Peak District with Matt in the glorious sunshine. Should be 25 degrees plus. So I look forward to really getting to grips with the Decat and seeing how it performs on the Speed Twin. And also I've just had the tyres changed from the stock Diablo Rosso 3s to the Michelin Road 6s. Just jumping on the bike, I noticed a massive difference. Can't say if it's good or bad, just really felt different. Just going around corners and stuff, the handling felt completely different, and I was a little bit shocked at how different a set of tyres made it feel. So hopefully I get used to that, and we're back up to full speed and confidence. So I'm going to end the video here for today on Friday. Going to pick up tomorrow morning on the bike, and we're going to have a great ride through the Peak District, and I'm going to go see my granddad, and then we've got the Champions League final. So it's going to be a great Saturday. Stay tuned. Michelin Road 6 tyres, Decat on the Speed Twin. We're putting in upgrades. Let's go. Okay, welcome to the edge of the Peak District. We are 10 minutes away from Matlock, where we're going to meet Matt, and I've just warmed the tyres in somewhat on a dual carriageway up here. It's a lovely sunny day, and I can't wait to just test out the bike today. Already I can just hear the sound the Decat's made, especially in the lower gears down at the bottom, like pootling around in second for example. Much deeper engine tones, and when you roll off in third you get much more pronounced, like roll off, gargling pops and stuff. So it's yeah, I can definitely tell the Decat already has made the bike sound much better, and maybe it's improved the speed a little bit. Whether that's placebo or whether there's genuine performance benefits, I'm not sure, but hopefully by the end of the day I'll be able to give a good verdict on that. Just warming up the tyres as well, Michelin Road 5s. So the key distinction between the Michelin and the Pirelli Diablo Rossos, I think the Diablo Rosso are much more of a V shape, so when you lean you reach like a V flat contact patch, and it causes the bike to obviously turn in a much different style to a more rounded sort of Michelin tyre. So obviously that's what I've got now, the Michelin Road 6s. So I'm just going to have to get used to that and see how I like the changes. I don't think it'll be a big issue. Just need to get used to the different turning mechanics of the bike. So obviously the shape of your tyre dictates the contact you have with the road, and therefore how you turn. So it's just going to be a bit of a learning curve, but I'm looking forward to bedding these in throughout the Peak District today, just taking it steady until I somewhat wear them in a little bit. And I think on this ride as well I may tip the bike up to 10,000 miles. We're on 9,893 right now. I think by the end of the day we might well be on 10,000, so it's going to be an all-in Decat Michelin Road 6 10,000 mile review. So it's quite a nice little vlog today, and see if you can hear the Decat. For me, just a much deeper sound. It sounds way good. It sounds well better. So after we meet up with Matt in Matlock, I've also got my little microphone with me, so I'm going to stick that in the backpack and do a little sound only 4K cruise hopefully we get some nice footage and good audio. So stick around, it's going to be a great day. Right, look who's just rocked up. Matt in his new John Doe Defenders. Looking suspiciously like me today. Must take some inspiration from my John Doe review. Anyway, he's also rocking some No Place to Be merch.
We've got the new prototype merchandise. So this is the old No Place to Be logo with the new one on the back.
Here he is. No Place to Be. If you show him what I'm wearing.
James is repping.
I've got new logo on the front.
New logo.
And same on the back.
Looking very good, my man. We're a little bit twinning today.
We all do look very similar. So, similar bikes, very similar outfits. Looks like we're part of some sort of Bonneville cult, but we are No Place to Be YouTube channel. So if we're not looking the same, are we even aligned? I don't know.
What are we going to do today, James? What are we going to do?
I'm going to start my bike up. Matt's going to be like, wow, Decat, pop, fizzle, bang.
Can't wait to hear the exhaust.
He's going to look at my Michelin Road 6 tyres. Very aggressive tread. Going to ride all through Peak District. 10,000 miles today on bike. Going to do a review on that. And then...
In one day?
One day, mate. All that vlog footage in one day. And then go see my granddad, who's obviously massively into bikes. It's always good to see him. Show him the sound the bike makes. And then ride back through the peaks. Champions League final tonight. Let's fucking go. What a day.
Easy.
28 degrees. Let's go. Right then, we're off. Matt's just had a listen to the exhaust. Can definitely tell a difference, can't you, Matt?
Yeah, nice and rumbly, lots of gargles and pops. You definitely tell the difference from the stock.
Fizz pop, fizz bang.
XPipe or
XPipe and Vance & Hines combo in action. Weather's incredible. Bros on bikes, twinned in cargos and No Place to Be merch. Let's go.
Cannot beat this. 27 degrees.
No. I was at work all week thinking, I can't make it. And then I was thinking, nah, this ride's gonna get me through. And it did. Michelin's handled that perfectly well.
Nice one. Here you go.
What's that? Yeah.
Here you go, look.
What, No Place to Be? Mate, you got the merch on. First subscriber we've ever seen. Yeah, that's it. See the logo? Right. Hey, got the merch on. Yeah, what's your name?
Kawasaki, nice. Dead 900.
Yeah, you're on the video now.
What a guy.
Legend, I'll put you in. Have a good one, man. Like the bike. Good lad.
Looking back.
Mate, we've made it. Woo!
That is very good.
Let's go overtake these. Mate, I can't believe you just booked me to subscriber. That's sick.
Yeah.
He called in, he was looking at us.
Yeah, I thought that, yeah.
And he was looking at me a bit too intensely. And I was like, is he just looking at my bike because like it's the obvious competitor to the 900 RS?
Oh.
Or is, yeah.
That
or
is
is he
funny.
like, and then he was like, you on YouTube? I was like, yeah.
Right time. Well, I unzipped my jacket just to try and show its badge and now I can't get it back up.
he did it as well, yeah. Yeah, we're going to pull in on left in a minute. I'm just going to open it up, advance. I'll be at the back of that car in about 2 seconds though. We've just been back home, seen a load of family, and we're riding back through to Chesterfield now. And we've done a little bike swap again, so it's almost like a T120 versus Speed Twin review. Matt's not really ridden the Speed Twin much at all, so he was keen to jump back on it again. Just pulled over at Langset Reservoir to get the GoPro going, admire the view, and we're just going to get going. But yeah, what are your thoughts on the Speed Twin, Matt? First proper ride on it in probably 2 years-ish?
Yeah, well, the only other time I managed a little ride was in the Cotswolds, and it was stuck behind traffic, so didn't really get the full experience, but yeah. It's been a blast. What, 25 minutes we've had maybe, and managed to get it up to the ton, top to ton, and
that's 60 miles an hour, by the way, police.
Yeah, 60 miles on the dot. Yeah. National speed limit.
Yeah,
that's a ton.
Yeah.
But no, it's great. It's you see the acceleration is much more instant on the Speed Twin than the T120. Riding position, a bit more aggressive. It just wants to turn in. The front end, it just wants to turn into the corners a lot more than the T120, which is more of a laid-back cruiser around the bends.
Yeah.
So it's just been a bit of a breath of fresh air, I think, and a nice change up.
Change of pace.
Makes you ask some questions, doesn't it? Like, what sort of bike do I want next?
Exactly.
But yeah, let's stay tuned. Watch this space.
Exactly, mate. Let's just ride on then.
Come on, let's go.
Back through the peaks. Admire that Decat. There she is. Knock that indicator off. Right, sounds mint from there. Yeah.
And away we go.
Lovely.
Is that Loch Ness Monster?
Is that Langset Monster? So yeah, it's been a really good day. Speed Twin should top of 10,000 miles on the way back. Tyres have bedded in well. I can't say they're any worse than the stock tyres, but they're a lot more durable, so you can't complain there. Going to last 2 or 3 times longer. Decat sounds mint. Performance definitely has improved somewhat through acceleration, and we got noticed by a subscriber, as you might have seen earlier. So it's been a top day. Cannot complain. Stuff of dreams. Riding Bonnevilles through the peaks with my brother. Now back to watch Champions League final, and if City win that, it'll be a pretty good day. And yeah,
it's already been a good day. That will make it.
And yeah, sorry, I'm a City fan, but they need to win Champions League after how well they've played last few years. Let's be honest. It's one thing holding them back. So yeah, let's go.
Shot for a hole.
Strines, Jack, if you're watching, I know you love it here.
Can't beat the Strines.
Look at that view though. Top shit.
The South Yorkshire Peak District got its charm.
It does have its charm. It's a bit more undulating than like the centre.
Hang on a minute.
Yeah, you go left here.
Alright.
Yeah, don't worry mate, I've got you. I've got you.
Straight to that barrier.
These sort of roads, just got to be careful on. Proper tight.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, with the Speed Twin as well, you can sort of just leave it in third around these bends.
Yeah.
Whereas I don't know about you right now on my bike, if you're dropping it down to second on some of them.
Yeah, I'm dropping it second on these corners, just 'cause it's not my bike as well. I want to slow down, make sure I'm going around them steady. But yeah, Speed Twin, you can pick it up in third, like at as low as 25 miles an hour, and it'll just fly out the other side of the corner.
Yeah, not that much lag.
No.
As well.
She's gurgling and popping.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Love it.
When you just idling.
Decatage. Let's go. Decat. Oh yes. Lovely ride back home. Been a good day, ain't it, Matt?
Absolutely bloody brilliant. Can't fault the weather.
Still buzzing off that guy on his Kawasaki Z900 RS saying he knows us. So if you're watching this video, mate, well done, you made my day. Officially just hit 10,000 miles. Well done, Speed Twin, you've made it without any major mechanical issues. Overall thoughts on the bike, obviously I've done 8,800 miles on this, can't claim all 10. Absolutely love it, breath of fresh air, really versatile bike, sporty but laid back at the same time, can tour, can have fun on it, love it to bits, not going to get rid of it anytime soon. Decat's made it even better, and new tyres on today has been a joy. So yeah, anybody thinking about getting this bike, as always, would recommend test riding it. Probably going to end the video here, to be honest. I've had a really good ride out with Matt, and
been great, yeah.
Yeah, long may the sun continue. Hopefully get a few mini tours in soon. Obviously next month we've got Northern Ireland tour. So Jack, if you're watching this, mate, big up to you. Yeah, and again, thank you, subscriber, for noticing us in public. Stay tuned, and hopefully somebody else can spot us next time. Signing out.